2017.
See?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's 2017, everybody. 2017. Got my New Year's hat on. It's 2017. It's going off everywhere. Over there. Over there, over there. Ooh, looks like some neighbors are putting off fireworks too. But they aren't making it.
There's lots of pretty fireworks going on.
It's like the 4th of July, except it's like the 1st of January. It's like January 1st right now.
Going up downtown.
It's like January 1st, 2017 in Central Time and New York Time.
Now I have to remember to write 2017 instead of 2016.
That's going to be
there's
hard.
some going over by the
I'm always going to write,
church over
I'm
there.
going to accidentally write like January 1st, 2016.
Yeah, I'll mistake that a few times too.
No, it's not 2016, it's 2017. What a great way to start off 2017.
We started it off perfectly.
Yeah, that position we were in, woo.
Yeah, that was perfect. That was all his idea.
Yeah, that was
Excellent idea.
pretty awesome.
It
Yeah.
was. Glad you thought all that.
It was his idea.
How come like no one's putting them off like close to us? It's all
I'm
like
surprised because last year there was a bunch of them.
yeah, it seems like neighbors were putting them off practically. Ooh, do you see that one? It was like sparkly.
Oh yeah, last year
Yeah,
like
so-
those
Oh, that was
did
awesome.
some.
Yeah, they did a lot last year. It might be at somebody else's house this year.
Yeah.
I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Can you see good out that way?
Yeah.
You
I
could,
was checking.
6.
yeah, I think this is 6 different places for fireworks. Woo! They were putting it off over there, but I think that was pretty much a grand finale. Some people are trying to shoot up green fireworks, but I think they're just burning in the sky and they're not exploding. Bursting into beautiful fireworks. Wow. Oh, look, someone's trying to put them off.
Oh yeah, over there in the cul-de-sac thing.
Ooh.
Ooh, that was a couple good ones.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Oh, you can't really. It's right on the edge over
Yeah,
here.
looks like it's
Look
somewhere right
over
along,
here, left.
right along Lost Arrow.
Oh, it's like right. But the chimney is kind of in the way. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see. If they do any more. Oh.
I think they're just gonna make me walk around the room so I could just look at a chimney probably.
Maybe.
Hey, that's my spot.
Come on in.
It's 2017, there's room for more. Sounds like a song, like boom, 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 boom. Or like Jaws. Where are you going?
I want to see if anybody's doing any out front.
Oh, okay.
If there's not, he's missing all these.
I'm just gonna check for us. Make sure we're not missing some good ones up front. Oh, there's some good ones.
I can't believe it's 2017.
I know. You were born. And now it's 2017.
Yeah. Yeah, whisper. Whoa. Can you see? Those sound like those little things you throw down your driveway. Those crackling, firecrackery.
I can hear firecrackers out there, but nothing big and nothing I can see.
Just like those things that you
Crack, 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 crack.
that you
Throw on the
hit
ground.
down on the driveway and
Yeah.
it bursts.
Like those things.
Hit it down and it comes back like a boomerang. But people
There's a lot of
in
red ones downtown.
people in West Coast time are still like, come on, 2017. We're
They're
still in
going, oh my
2016.
gosh, still 2 more hours.
Ugh, could you imagine how boring their TV
And, like-
shows are
And
gonna
like
be?
Los Angeles, San Diego, or people in like Truth or Consequences, New Mexico, something like that. They're like one more
Look that
hour.
way.
Ooh. They do some more. I'll go and try and look. It's almost 2018.
Well, not quite yet.
Except it's 2017
Mm-hmm.
and not 2018. It's almost 2018.
Just.
The heck? Over there. Are most people in sleep?
A lot of people are.
Looks like that might be the big finale going on downtown. They're
Great.
shooting them off one after another.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so this is the Grande finale.
Might be. So,
Oh, yeah,
keep
I bet
going.
it is.
Grande finale. Those lights are those like fireworks like every house and others. Lights of the big city. You can hear them, but you ain't seeing them. Car stopped at red lights. Just whoa.
Well, I think they're pretty much over, Love
Well,
Bug.
looks like that. They were shooting them off all together.
See, can you see any more? Oh yeah,
Looks like
there.
a lot of them came to an end.
Mm-hmm.
There's like
Oh!
oh well, there's like 2 more. That one over there, and some over there. Look, you can see some over by downtown.
Yeah. I think I see what you're talking about.
Well, that was pretty fun.
Can you not make that much noise? Are those lights or fireworks?
I see something out there.
Yeah, way out there. By the blinking red lights. Like by the towers or something.
Oh,
Might be Fiesta, Texas over there. Maybe not. Hard to
A
get
couple
bearings.
far away over there.
Yeah.
Couple far away over there.
Oh, some pretty big ones.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like their grande finale too. Looks like those people only do the grande finale.
How do you turn that on?
You pull the safety thing out
Oh, okay.
halfway or so.
Okay.
Can you see any more?
Just little neighborhood ones, people shooting off every now and then. Looks like all the big ones are done.
How come like everyone at their house like wants to shoot off fireworks?
'Cause it's fun, but it's illegal.
I'm excited for the new year. I thought it was fun.
One
though for
house-
Mom to
One
be-
house after the other. When they go off for 5 minutes, oh, then it's their turn.
Yeah.
And then it's the next people's turn when they're finished.
I bet it was fun for Mom to be with Aunt Sherry though on
Yeah.
New Year's for a change, something different.
It's New Year in Central Time and
Santa told me earlier that
East
they were
Coast
sitting at home and Pat's
Standard
living with
Time.
Oh
with
yeah.
Sherry and Paul.
Guys,
Yeah, Paul's mom.
guys.
And they were sitting talking.
Can you stop.
I think it's pretty much over though, love.
Yeah. I think those are just like lights.
Okay, happy 2017.
Happy 2017. And Pacific Time and Mountain Time that come next. Happy 2017. And my happy 2017 will be a snore.